Hello, how are you? Well, this is a non-traditional tortilla española. And one of the things I learned during my whole life is you have to boil the potatoes a little bit because traditionally the Spaniards doesn't boil the potatoes. And when you don't boil the potatoes, you have to fry them. And I'm not a huge fan of fried food. We have some onions, we have some peppers, we have some serranos, we have tuna, and we have some aceitunas. And then we're gonna incorporate all this. We're gonna add salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic. So it's Mexican Mediterranean. All right, so the next step, you already boil your potatoes, you're cut them in this way, and that way you add a little bit of olive oil, and you're just moving it and frying them. This process will accelerate a little bit of the cooking process because normally Spaniards cut the potatoes and fry them all the way here, but I just don't prefer. I prefer less olive oil.
Hoy solamente estoy de pinche ayudante de Lalo. Yo estoy rallando queso gruyere para la torta española, ¿ok? Que Lalo es un profesional en este platillo, ¿vale?
Once the potato is cooked, we're gonna just throw the egg. And once you're done with the egg, we're gonna throw this tuna that is previously cooked. And I'm not a chef or anything, but this I learned in Madrid. Ole, tío.
Yole, yole.
And we're gonna just make sure to move. And the secret of the tortilla española is always make sure that the corners and the edge is not gonna burn. And we're gonna do it like this for a long time. Because we want to give the shape.
Ready? Okay.
This job takes 2 cooks.
We're flipping the tortilla now that it's semi-cooked and already shaped. But this is a very tricky moment.
Okay.
Very, very tricky. ¿Yo qué hago? Hold on 1 second. Usually the Spaniards wait for like they cook them a day before because all the ingredients and eggs and like you can do tuna, chicken, just vegetables, grilled onions. The traditional is just grilled onions, but I like to add whatever ingredients you have in your fridge. We give them a little bit of Mediterranean / Mexican touch with serranos, with olives, with red onions, tuna. We cook the tuna, and then the presentation. Voila, tortilla española.